We're still installing plugins in this video, and I want to continue with some more security plugins, namely Better WP Security. This will do some things that are important that Wordpress does not do. They're both security plugins, but they do different types of security and utility items. We'll activate that. And go to the WP Security admin. We can create a database backup, and we'll go ahead and do that. That's an important step that you have to take, and there's no reason not to take that step. Now you can do secure my site from basic attacks. Just click one button and you get system statuses about certain items, and they're color coded to let you know how critical they are that they be performed. For instance, a user with ID 1 still exists. ID 1 is usually the administrator account, and that account is targeted with the ID in certain attacks. So anytime you can change the user ID of the administrator user, that's an extra step of protection that you can implement. Your table prefix should not be WP underscore. You can click here to rename it. So we're going to go ahead and do these. Change user 1 ID. And that's that. Let's go back to the dashboard and click that to rename the database prefixes. And that's done. We're not currently actively looking for changed files, so we will turn that on with that checkbox and that Save Options button. And back to the dashboard. And that's all the critical items. We do have some orange messages which are medium priority. They need to be fixed, but they're not as critical a vulnerability. We are enforcing strong passwords, but not for all users. We'll go ahead and click this anyway. And we will make subscribers use strong passwords. That's the minimum, so anything above a subscriber will also be forced into using good passwords, so that means everyone. Your WordPress admin area is available 24/7. Do you really update 24 hours a day? This is cool because you can turn off the WordPress admin backend completely, so no one can access it for certain hours during the day. For instance, if you never update while you're asleep or at work, you can calculate what those hours are and then turn off the dashboard so that no one could get in and do anything to your site if they were to hack it in some way or another. But we never know when we're going to post. We're up all the time. We're posting any time of the day, so we're not going to fix that. You're not blocking known bad hosts and agents with hackrepair.com's blacklist. That sounds like a good thing to do. Check that box and add host and agent blacklist. And there we go. We're now using that blacklist. And that's almost everything. And now our site is very secure, very resilient to any kind of attacks, any kind of bots, any kind of threat to our site like that is now primarily taken care of. So we will continue adding plugins to our site in our next video.